Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick in-car pull. I set up a boost controller down there. As you can see right there, and kind of right there. There's the knob for the boost controller, there's the ball valve. Also goes to the wastegate. So I'm sitting here cleaning up the maps on EcTune. You'll see my injector duty right there. Maxed out at 120% at 9.41 pounds of boost. So yeah, let's make these 240cc stock injectors give a little power. I'm getting a hell of a grinding noise up here in my tranny. I think my axle seal is leaking. I need to get some more fluid in there, but I'll send it for a minute and throw it in a second here. Well, she feels considerably quicker than what she did at 6 psi, being at almost 10 now, but yeah, she's gonna need some fuel. I don't know if you noticed, she was leaning out a little bit in the 12s, getting up there in RPM, so yeah. I'm gonna give her a third gear pull real quick here. Actually, it was going kind of rich. She was under the 10. Air fuel showing in the 10s. So yeah, we'll have to see. All right, guys, that's just a little bit of preview of what's to come. We'll get this going. Obviously, she's running good and strong. I got, I don't know, 50 miles on this braking oil right now. I'm gonna swap it out, replace it. The only thing I got wrong right now, I think, is these axle seals. Oh, and I got a tie rod that's shot. Yeah, I got those coming tomorrow, so I'll replace both tie rods and outer tie rods. But all right, guys, thanks for watching, and go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll get some more videos going on here pretty quick. See ya.